Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the life of a hockey shop owner. Today we're going to sharpen some boats here. We got Brandon Carlos from the Boston Bruins skates. We're going to give him a little sharpening, show you guys how our Elite ES4 machine operates. First thing we're going to do, check the wheel, make sure we got the right wheel on. 5/8, that's our standard hollow we do here. We can do a ton of other ones, you just got to ask, but our standard hollow is usually 5/8. First thing you're going to do, find the center point in your blade. Most blades nowadays have a center mark laser etched in. Put it there, make sure your blade is level, lock it in place. Next thing we're going to do, slide that bar in. What that does, make sure your next skate you put in is going to be in the same spot as the first blade. Lock that in place. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to select what sharpening we're going to do, how much pressure we're going to put. Our standard sharpening we do, standard 2. These are somewhat newer wheels that we have on there currently, so what I'm going to do is start off with 6 passes, see how they look. If I need to do it more, I'll put them on, but generally 5 to 6 passes and we're good to go. So what this machine's going to do, starting off first, it's going to read the profile that's currently on the blade. What this machine does is it's going to read the blade and it's not going to change the radius of the blade throughout its life of sharpening. Alright, so if you notice that last pass was a little slower, a little less pressure than all the other passes. What I'm going to do now is just check the edges, make sure they're done, make sure the sharpening looks good. Now it's time to hone the blades. So what we use is a sweet stick, which is made out of ceramic. This machine puts a stronger, heavier burr than a standard sharpening does, so these ceramic sweet sticks really take care of the edge. Hold it sideways. Going to put all the pressure top of the blade. You don't want to round the edge off. Go back and forth until you really feel like the burr's been taken care of. Next step, I take the old Howie's rubber stone here. You can call it a stone, I guess. Up and down a few times. Look, wipe it off the rag. How you doing? Looks good. Same thing with the other blade. down. How you doing? Good enough for the girls I know. There you have it, guys. Brandon Carlos skates, freshly sharpened, good to go. Takes about 60 seconds on the machine, another 60 seconds to prepare them afterwards. Stay tuned, like and follow. We'll show you some more stuff from DK's.